Welcome back. Excel Daily Dose Basic. Day 6 Concatenate. Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn channel. An actual meaning of concatenate is to link things together in a chain or series. That is what we do in Excel as well. Concatenate helps us to join two or more strings together. For example, say I have a couple of words in different cells like this. I can put them together in one single cell by using concatenate. Again, you can use the cell reference the way I'm showing here, or, or the directly supplying the text strings as an argument, as a part of argument, something like this. Uh, okay, but ensure that you put them in double quotes because these are all text. If I'm supplying number, no, nothing to worry, we don't have to put them in double quotes. Right, like this, we can supply the text in cell reference and the as a part of argument, as a part of the function. However, if you notice here, there is no space in between. Would you like a space in between these words? We can also include them. It is pretty simple. You just have to use a blank space, a white space, part of these arguments like this. So you see a space here. Similarly, we can also do the same thing, giving a space. We can use any number of spaces wherever you would like to. You can place them, and that looks neat. Another method of concatenating strings without using concatenate function. This is again is a bonus tip. This is possible without using the function concatenate by using a symbol, ampersand symbol, like this, and there we go. So this AND function will clearly helps us in joining everything together. If you think I need a space in between, yes, it is possible as well. Same method, leave a blank space with the double quotes, and yes, do use ampersand before and after. All right, that's it for today's video, day 6, concatenate. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel for more videos.